Hey everyone, Dan here. And let's be honest, most of us don't think about our tires much. Did you know that 11,000 accidents annually are caused by tire failures? That's a scary thought. Today we're exposing the 5 biggest tire myths that are not just draining your wallet, but could be putting your car in danger. Let's get rolling with the facts. Alright guys, let's talk about the penny test. Just check the tread with a penny. If you can see Lincoln's head, it's time for new tires. How many times have you heard that? We've all been told this, right? But the truth is, this advice is dangerously incomplete. Here's the shocking truth. Your tires can have plenty of tread left and still be deadly. Rubber compounds naturally break down over time, regardless of how many miles you've driven. This degradation doesn't show up in a simple tread depth test. Go ahead, take a look at your tire sidewalls with me. See those tiny hairline cracks? That's the rubber deteriorating, and it's a major warning sign. These cracks can lead to catastrophic blowouts, especially in hot weather or at highway speeds. Every tire has a dot code on the sidewall. The last 4 digits tell you when it was manufactured. Anything older than 6 years is living on borrowed time, even with plenty of tread left. Car manufacturers and tire experts recommend replacing tires every 6 years, regardless of tread depth. Now, let's talk about tire pressure. This one is costing people thousands in premature tire wear and wasted fuel. Have you ever looked at the sidewall of your tire and seen that maximum pressure number? We're told that's the magic number, right? Wrong. That sidewall number is the maximum pressure the tire can safely hold. It has nothing to do with what your specific car needs. Inflating to this maximum pressure will make your tires wear unevenly, give you a harsh ride, and actually reduce your grip in wet conditions. The correct pressure is determined by your vehicle manufacturer, not the tire maker. You'll find it on a sticker inside your driver's door jamb, or sometimes in the glove box or fuel door. Check your tire pressure monthly and always when the tires are cold. Temperature changes pressure dramatically. Every 10 degrees Fahrenheit change alters pressure by about 1 psi. Proper tire pressure ensures a smoother ride, better fuel efficiency, and longer tire life. Okay, this next myth is a big one, and I know some of you are guilty of believing it. They're all just rubber circles, right? Why pay more? This myth, my friends, might be the most expensive mistake you can make with your car. In reality, there's a massive difference between budget tires and premium brands. Premium tire manufacturers spend millions on research and development, testing compounds through countless iterations to find the perfect balance of grip, longevity, noise reduction, and fuel efficiency. Think about it. Your tires are the only parts of your car that actually touch the road. Tests consistently show that premium tires can stop up to 20 feet shorter from 60 miles per hour compared to budget options. In wet conditions, the gap is even larger, sometimes by more than 40 feet. And here's what's particularly interesting. Cheap tires often cost more in the long run. A premium tire might cost 30% more upfront, but last 50% longer and save you 5% on fuel. Alright, this next myth is one that even some experienced drivers get wrong. If you're only replacing 2 tires, which isn't ideal, but sometimes necessary, conventional wisdom says put them on the front where the steering happens, right? Wrong. This is dangerously wrong. New tires should always be installed in the back of your vehicle, no matter if you drive a front-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, or all-wheel drive car. The reason is simple. When you drive on wet roads, tires with less tread are more likely to hydroplane. If your rear tires lose grip first, your car will spin out, a situation that even professional drivers struggle to correct. When your front tires lose grip, your car simply understeers. It continues going straight when you try to turn. Safety tests demonstrate this dramatically. So remember, always put your best tires on the rear axle. This simple step can make a huge difference in your safety on the road. This last myth is all about convenience, but let's be honest, sometimes convenience comes at a cost. All-season tires. The name sounds reassuring, doesn't it? All-season tires seem like they should handle everything from summer heat to winter snow. The reality? They're more like no-season tires, mediocre in all conditions, rather than excellent in any. Here's the cold, hard truth. All-season tires are a compromise. They sacrifice wet road grip and hot weather performance to gain some capability in light snow and cold temperatures. But they're nowhere near as effective as dedicated summer or winter tires in extreme conditions. Tests consistently show that high-quality summer tires outperform all seasons in wet braking by 15 to 20%, even in moderate temperatures. That can mean stopping 30 feet shorter in an emergency, the length of 2 cars. And in snow? All seasons are barely adequate for occasional light dustings. Once you hit real winter conditions, the difference between all seasons and proper winter tires is terrifying. The best approach is to use dedicated seasonal tires if you live somewhere with distinct winters. If your area rarely sees freezing temperatures, high-quality summer tires will outperform all seasons in virtually all conditions you'll encounter. So, there you have it, guys. 5 tire myths busted wide open. We've learned that tread depth isn't everything. The max PSI on your sidewall is misleading. Budget tires are a false economy. New tires belong in the back. And all-season tires are a compromise you might not want to make. Remember those 11,000 accidents we talked about at the beginning? Don't become another statistic. Take care of your tires, and they'll take care of you. Make sure you like and subscribe for more car myth busting content coming soon. Until next time, drive safe.